with our expertise, with our talents, with our energy, and with our resources. We are not going to build this nation, or we are not going to expect others to build this nation for us. We are not going to expect resources from others to build this nation. It is first and foremost our responsibility. And that is the reason why we must bring into the bracket as many Kenyans as possible to participate in working in Kenya, so that they too can contribute their talent, their energy, their expertise, their knowledge in building our country. It is the reason why I have been deliberate and intentional on making sure that we do at least 3 things. Number one, we have a deliberate program on how to create more jobs. As I talk to you today, we have 140,000 young people who were not working last year, but they are working this year in our housing program. As I talk to you today here, we have another 120,000 young people in our TVETs, in our ICT hubs today, who are earning salaries, who have a job, a digital job, 120,000 who did not have that job last year. It is because we have been intentional on creating additional opportunities for young people in Kenya to work. It is also the reason why we are reorganizing labor migration, why we are